Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products in the same category to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have two exciting products for you: the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball and the Brushless Motor Drone with camera. Let's dive into the comparisons and find out which one suits your needs better. Let's start with the price. The Tikduck Flying Orb Ball is priced at $45, while the Brushless Motor Drone with camera comes in at $199. As you can see, there is a significant price difference between the two products. If you're on a budget, the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball might be a more affordable option for you. Now let's talk about the features. The Tikduck Flying Orb Ball is a high-tech hand-controlled drone that promises intelligent flight. It features a gyroscope and a smart AI chip, allowing for different flight lines and a boomerang effect. This drone is designed to improve children's hands-on ability, operating skills, intelligence, and creativity. It's made of durable and lightweight material, ensuring it can withstand countless crashes. The enclosed propellers make it safe for children to use. On the other hand, the Brushless Motor Drone with camera offers a 4K 120 degrees manually adjustable lens and a 110 degrees wide-angle lens. This drone provides a broader shooting range and breathtaking field of view, allowing you to capture every wonderful moment from a bird's-eye perspective. It also comes with a brushless motor, which provides higher speeds and stronger wind resistance. Additionally, it has an altitude hold system and optical flow positioning, ensuring stable flights. Battery life is an essential factor to consider when choosing a drone. The Tikduck Flying Orb Ball has a flying time of 8 to 10 minutes and takes approximately 25 minutes to fully charge. On the other hand, the Brushless Motor Drone with camera comes with two 1,600 mAh batteries, providing a flight time of up to 40 minutes. This extended battery life can be a significant advantage if you plan to use the drone for longer flights or filming purposes. Let's talk about the functionality of these two products. The Tikduck Flying Orb Ball is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, with a smooth flight pattern and a boomerang effect. It's a great conversation piece for family gatherings and can even be used as an educational tool to teach about physics and aerodynamics. The Brushless Motor Drone with camera offers a wide range of functions including high-speed rotation, circle fly, gesture control, headless mode, one-key takeoff landing, altitude hold, and 360 degrees flips. With its extensive range of functions, this drone is suitable for both beginners and skilled players alike. Finally, let's discuss the extra accessories that come with these products. The Tikduck Flying Orb Ball doesn't come with any additional accessories, while the Brushless Motor Drone with camera includes extra spare fan blades, a propeller guard, and a carrying case for convenient outdoor travel. These additional accessories can enhance your overall drone experience and provide added value. That wraps up our comparison between the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball and the Brushless Motor Drone with camera. Both products have their unique features and advantages. If you're looking for an affordable and fun drone for indoor and outdoor use, the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball might be the perfect choice for you. However, if you're seeking a more advanced drone with a high-quality camera and extended battery life, the Brushless Motor Drone with camera would be the right fit. Remember to consider your budget, desired features, and intended use when making your decision. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. See you next time on Buy Smart.